Look at that. Pentium 4 life. XP too. This is great. Oh. But if that were true, then we wouldn't be looking at this today, now would we? Because it is not just a basic Pentium 4. No, it is not. In here is a Dell XPS 7100 motherboard with a Phenom 2 X6 2.8 GHz 6 core, silencer 500 watt power supply. I believe it was 12 gigs of RAM in here of 1333 megahertz. Not 100% sure because the RAM is kind of mismatched because I've fried RAM. I used to have 4 of those PNYs and 2 of them went. And then I have a Radeon HD 6850 with 2 500 gigabyte Western Digital Blue Caviar drives. I mean, this is just, I guess, a cheap build, you know. Here's a plastic eBay fan that lights up blue. And just basic heat sink. Mini games, pretty good. I've played DayZ. I've ran modern games fine. Windows 10 on it. Yeah, it's junk. That's what happens. You make use of what you got. These things originally came with Pentium 4s and could only, I think it was like a 3.8 gigahertz was the max with hyperthreading. And 4 gigs of RAM max, and it wasn't even a 64-bit system that you could really use. It was just some old crap from 2004. So I took the case, put a new motherboard in, and I game with it. It's fabulous. And then we got this crap. Built that for 15 bucks out of crap parts. So I think 2.2 gigahertz dual core with a Quadro 3600 something M, equivalent to an 8800 GTX, I guess. So they say. That has a 500 gigabyte hard drive. That's junk. Junk. An Xbox 360, that's junk. An Xbox One, that's junk. A TV, that's junk. Simba, that's junk. A vape. Of course, I don't drive a Subaru, but that's besides the point. Computer is crap. And there's no point to this video. Just my crap build, which I should probably game with sometime, because I built this 3 years ago. Bye!